Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are 7 solutions to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone. So, let's watch the video till the end. Suppose you have used the apps Instagram, Snapchat, etc. You might see the message on your iPhone asking you to allow access to camera and microphone, but the camera access is turned off. So, you have to solve this error by following the solutions from this video. Let's see the first solution. Manage camera permissions. When you download any app and tap to open, a pop-up will ask you to allow camera access. Tap on Allow option. If you don't allow it, the prompt will never appear. Then, you have to manage the camera permission for the application manually. Now, let's see the second solution. Manage camera permissions from the iPhone privacy and security settings. For example, I am trying to open the camera on the Instagram app, but it shows a message saying, "Allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone." This permission lets you capture and share photos, record videos, etc. So you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security settings, tap on the camera option. Now, turn on camera access for the app. It is an easy way to manage camera permissions from the iPhone privacy and security settings. You can follow the alternate solution in this video. Let's check it. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll to the last and see the list of installed apps. After that, select the app name and turn on the camera toggle. Here, my camera toggle is turned off, so when I enable the camera toggle, it turns green. That's it. My problem gets fixed with this solution. If the camera toggle is grayed out or missing, then the third solution is to check the screen time restriction for camera app access. Follow the given steps and check if the camera restrictions are off. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Finally, tap on the Allowed App option. On the Allowed Apps page, you can see here the camera is toggled off, so it would prevent the user from getting access to the camera on any of these various apps. So, you must ensure the camera toggle is turned on. For safety purposes, turn off the Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now try to access the camera. The app will ask the permission to access the camera. Allow it, and it should fix the issue. That's it. If you cannot use the camera for scanning or online payments, follow the fourth solution. Check the internet connection. You must ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or cellular network. After that, you can force close the app and then relaunch the app. Let's see the fifth solution. Enable camera access from app settings from the app itself. It is the easiest way to manage the camera permissions by opening the apps individually, or you can go through the Settings app. Open the Settings app and scroll down to select the app which causes a camera access error. After that, check the camera option and turn on the toggle. Sometimes, this problem can happen due to some software glitch. To fix it, try out the sixth solution. Force restart iPhone. Let's see how to force restart iPhone. For that, first, press and quickly release the volume up. Press and release the down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears after the black screen. This process might take 15 to 20 seconds. Just wait for the Apple logo. Then, enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and start using your iPhone. That's it. Let's see the seventh solution. Reinstall app. If you have a problem with a particular app, you have to delete and reinstall the application which doesn't allow access to the camera on your iPhone. Touch and hold the app icon that you want to delete. It will show different options. Select the Remove App option. Once you tap the Remove App option, your device will show a pop-up message saying, "Removing from the home screen will keep the app in your library." Next, tap on the Delete App option. Instead, it is easy to touch and long press the blank space or app icon on the home screen of your iPhone until the apps start jingling. Then, tap on the minus icon to delete the app and again tap on Delete to confirm. To re-download the app, go to the App Store and search for the app. For example, I will write Snapchat and tap on the download icon. Then wait for a few moments to install the app. Once the app is reinstalled, you have to enter the login details and log into the app. Open the app, the login page will appear. Enter the username and password and tap the login option. The app will ask you to allow access to the camera and microphone. Tap on Allow option. That's it. I hope you get this video helpful. If you can't delete an app on iPhone, tap the iCard to watch the full video from the top right corner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to catch up and see more tips and tricks videos.